Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch. They call it Cypher Block in Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper on Friday, June the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Yes, this one is a special one with 10 printed digits. Yes, looking forward to solving this one. This one will be number 8677. Yeah, 8677 with 10 printed digits. Yes. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. It's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. So let's get started. First question to you, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, there, single box, always a 1. Alright, next question, do we have here a duo box? It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I see here 1 and 2 duo boxes. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes here. Also 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here only 1 triple box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. More quadra boxes? Nope. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me start with the T shape. Let me draw the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape, only 1 T shape in it. Nope. We have another one. And another one here. 3 T shapes. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5. Well, it can be 4 because we have a 4 there, so it should be a 5 then. Is connected with that box, should be a 5. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. T shape, alright. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Maybe draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, okay. Only 1. Alright, how about here? This shape, let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And it's also connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And the final shape, we have a shape here. Let me draw this here. Why you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. Yeah. Maxima 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. It's supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 3. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and 2. But we already have a 2 there. So it can't be 2 anymore. Should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Alright. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Then. Yeah. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. Then let me see. 4, 5. Thinking. Two. Well. Thinking. This box can be 2. This box can be 4. So the 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. That box can be 2. We have a 2 over here. And this box can also not be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left of 2 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this quadra box should be here. It's connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. I need a 3 here. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So if I eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 here or there. So 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. We have a 1 here. 1 should be here. Of course, it's connected with each other. And the 5 goes here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These... Wait. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box. So we also 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there then. Well, this box can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, so 2 numbers left, 1 and a 5 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 5, but we already have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 1, is connected with that box, should be so 1, alright. 2 and 4, okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be 5. And I've eliminated the other 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then, let me see. This box can be 4, this box can be 2. So 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3 is connected with that box, so 2 and 4. Yeah. Well. 2, 2, 2. I need more information here. Oh, 1 and a 2. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 4 and a 5. Well, 2 and a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. These two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means we have a double 2 here. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. If I place 2 here or here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place level 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright, and now 2, I need a 5 here. And I need a 4 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Need to go down. I need a 1 here. 1 could be here, could be there. I need, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or 5. I need a 2 here. Yeah, could be here, could be there. Ay. Now I need to think. The hard part. 2 and a 4. I'm stuck here. Think. Overlook this 2. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 here. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area from 2. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left with 5 in this T-shaped area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area. T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. Okay, alright. 2 and 5. 3 and 4. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. Eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. 2 and 5, we have 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Wow. I thought this one was a hard one, but 80 minutes. Can it be a 4 stars? Can it be a 3 stars? Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm real pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. The thing. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yes. Have a great and fantastic Friday. It's a weekend.